Welcome back, everybody. We got another Disney Aulani video for you. In this video, we'll take a tour of Disney Aulani's poolside garden view room. This room can sleep up to 4 people, including 2 adults and 2 kids, with possible additional charge for additional guests. The biggest difference between a standard room like this and the deluxe studio is that there is no kitchenette. The kitchenette was nice. It contained a washing machine, a sink to wash your dishes, and a microwave to reheat your food, which was very convenient. You can check out the deluxe studio room tour by clicking on the link here. As always, these Disney Aulani rooms are very nice, very well maintained, and very clean. Keep in mind, these beds are elevated pretty high, so little kids will have problems trying to climb up on these beds. These mattresses are also one of the most comfortable beds you will find in any hotel. The amenities in the bathroom are top-notch, including a rainfall shower and a deep soaking tub. One thing you will notice is they no longer have the H2O Disney shampoo and conditioner. They replace it with a local brand from Hawaii. This is our amazing view from our private balcony on the 4th floor. Even better at night. If you look closely, you can see we also have a view of the ocean. We love the screen door to our balcony. You can have fresh air come in while also keep out the bugs. One perk at staying at Aulani is having access to the Olina lounge at the Honolulu International Airport. I recommend making reservations ahead of time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out my other Disney Aulani and Oahu videos.